guys, remember when we saw that heritage unit? I forget what number it is. But we're gonna go and see if we can catch one again. And we got a train coming. I don't know. I didn't see the engine. But I'm pretty sure it might be an ST-70M. Okay. So here we got the crossing signal again. We're at the same spot. This is gonna be another part video. I'm gonna make sure that there's just to see if there's another. Kind of can see the 3 lights down there if I zoom in. Okay. Nothing down there. But you can see that there's a train coming. This time I hope they have yellow center beam flat cars that don't have that aren't the whole window type ones. Oh! Yeah, it's coming! It's coming! It's an ES44 AC. Oh God, I like that horn! Wait a second! This one hit a truck in somewhere in Texas, I believe. I know this horn. It hit a truck. There's a train coming. I'm pretty sure. Oh. I think I think he made a signal for the cars to go. I'm not sure though, because the gates are still down. Ow! Okay, I didn't know how that happened. I'm not sure how that happened. I think this crossing is one of those crossings where if the train's not on the thing, then it's not activated. But I'm pretty sure since it stopped, then there's going to be another train coming. That was a beautiful horn, though. I'm pretty sure that Oh, they're backing up. They're backing up. I knew they're backing up because Justin got fruitful. Okay. So I'm pretty sure they're going on to another track and deciding. Okay. I might come back to you when there's another train coming. That's an old Union Pacific logo. Up there, stopping. UP 6150. UP 7342. Alright, I'll come back to you when there's another train. So this is episode 1. Oh yeah, okay, that made a weird sound. So this is episode 1, and this is Pool and Ball signing out.